In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist through an easy integration process. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and heading to the Todoist login page. You can get there by typing app.todoist.com/login into the address bar. Once you've arrived, you'll need to sign in with your email and password. If you prefer, you also have the option to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. It's all about what feels easiest and most secure for you. Once logged in, navigate to your avatar, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, which is where the magic begins. Within the settings, you'll want to select the Calendars tab. This is essential because this section allows you to manage your calendar integrations directly within Todoist. Once you're in the Calendars tab, you'll notice a button labeled Connect Google Calendar. This is exactly what we're here for, so go ahead and click it. What you'll see next is a permissions page. Make sure to check the required permission boxes. These are necessary to allow Todoist to integrate smoothly with your Google Calendar. The final step in setting things up is to decide which calendars you want to see in Todoist. You have the option to synchronize all your tasks with Google Calendar. To make this happen, you need to toggle on the Sync Tasks to Calendar option. Additionally, if you want Todoist to include tasks that only have a date, without a specific time in your Google Calendar, ensure you also toggle on the Sync All Day Tasks option. This way you'll have a comprehensive view of all your scheduled tasks seamlessly in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you've now connected Google Calendar to Todoist. This integration allows you to manage your tasks more effectively across different platforms, enhancing your productivity. You've set yourself up to easily access and update your tasks, seeing them alongside your pre-scheduled calendar appointments. Remember, organizing your tasks efficiently empowers you to make daily planning a stress-free experience. I hope you found this walkthrough informative and straightforward to follow. Once you've got the hang of it, managing tasks between these two platforms becomes second nature. Enjoy your newfound productivity and remember to check back for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital organizational tools. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance with this or any other digital tool setup.